Hello, this is abandoned Finland, and today I'm at this old abandoned house with lots of old cars. This place is really cool because there is lots of rare cars you don't see every day. Here is Hilman Minks. What is this? Is this a Volga? It looks like a bit Volga. There's a Ford Escort. Some cars. And Triumph Herald. No, Courier. Nice. There's a Saab. Mercedes. Wait, is this a Saab? No, it's Austin. 40. Wait a second. I'm gonna put this to automatic focus because it's really annoying if it doesn't focus every time. Okay, now it's better. I don't have to focus every time I stop. But yeah, this place is really cool. There's lots of old cars. We're gonna check them out in today's video. And I was here at maybe was it July maybe. So there was lots of all the grass and plants were growing. It was really hard to move in here then. But yeah, let's check this out. This is the Austin. And here is Talbot Horizon. Wait, no. Yeah, Horizon. Okay. Here is also lots of cars. Citroen XM. There's lots of Citroen XMs. At least I think 6. I'm trying to be quiet because there's neighbors right there, and they don't want visitors in here. Either the owner, so they like keep this place safe. Okay, here's Alfa Romeo, Nissan Cherry. Is this Nissan Cherry? I think it is. And this is, what is this? Oh, Kommergob. Yeah, that's the thing. Here's Citroen ZX Wagon. What the heck? I've never seen wagon or estate. So this hubcap is really cool. And here is Alfa Romeo Alfetta. Sorry, my pronouncing is bad because I'm Finnish. Of course. Alfa Sud. Suddi. Okay. I don't know what that means. There's lots of parts in here. Honda CRX, Commercob. Oh shit. What is this? Oh, look, all the video camera. Full focus. This is cool. Maybe someone was here and videoed, but the owner scared him and he just left his video in here. Oh, shit. They're gonna be so... They're gonna so notice me. Lots of these cars. What are these? Sorry, I'm not so good. I'm good at some cars, but the older ones aren't my thing. What is this? How can I get there? The smell is weird. I don't think it's not Ford Capri. Oh shit. Second time. That thing. I don't learn anything. It's good. Now I don't have to take any pictures actually, because I already took last time pictures, so I don't have to take. So I can just video the whole time, record everything. Toyota Carina is this. I think it is. Renault 5. Wait, that is... What is this? What is that? What is that? I don't remember. Focus. If you know what car that is, write in the comments. There will be lots of write in the comments, because I don't know. I don't know all of these. What is this? Doesn't say anything. Maybe Toyota. Oh, it's all chrome. Whoa. I wasn't expecting that. Renault 21. I think it's a bit newer. I think 90s Mazda. Beschert. That's the Beschert 205. I think it is, but I don't go there because neighbors can see me. That's cool. Okay, let's continue to there where the most of the cars is there. Yeah. Nice Saab 900. Oh, it's freezing in here. It's October 21st, I think. So it's cold already in here in Finland. I have only 17 minutes to film this, so I can't stay the whole day in here filming this, so sorry if I go too quickly. Here is a Citroën DS, I think. I always say I think, but usually it is right like that. Subaru. No. What is this? Toyota Hilux. Is it? Yes. Toyota Hilux. Here's Toyota Corona. Yesterday. Oh, a Beetle, of course. I didn't see that last time. Yes, of course, that's a Beetle. This is Saab 96 Ford. What Ford is this? Maybe Taunus. Shit, it's really cold. My fingers are freezing. But yeah, let's continue. Here is sorry, I don't know. The Fiat. Whoa! I thought there was not any of these cars in Finland. Wait. Oh yes, it's this one. Lancia. I have seen those. What is this? This looks rare. Austin maybe. I almost stepped in that water. That would have been sucked. Okay, let's check this. What is this? What are you? It doesn't say anything. I bet you know what this car is. I think Austin. Here's another. Wait. Oh yeah. No. Nothing. Somebody stole the badge. It's from England. Yeah, it's Austin, I think. Because it's British. Or is it? Nissan. Is this Nissan Cherry? Again? Or not? Or Datsun? What? Doesn't say anything. How I'm supposed to know what car is it? Because I'm good with cars. Or not. Mazda 323. Okay, and here we have a really rare car. Peerless GT, because there was only 300 made of these in the whole world. So it's really rare. Some not so rare Mercedes and Toyota Carina. What is that? Oh my god, that looks so stupid. What car is this? Austin Allegro. Nice. This guy collected lots of British cars. I see. Renault 5 with hot tires. I think that's a bit rare too, at least in Finland. Toyota. No. This is Mitsubishi. There's too many cars, I can't remember everything. Well, it's Japanese. That's what I know. Here's the Beetle, not oval or split, so not so rare. Look, can you see all those cars? there's a lots more in there. We're gonna check them out too. There's a Ford Capri and like that. So it's gonna be nice. Let's check those couple of those cars what was in here. I'm gonna take some pictures too. Of course. Always pictures. This is I'm so bad. That's a Mazda. Nice. I didn't accept that. That is nice. What is this? Doesn't say anything. Oh, here is beschert. 309. That's rare nowadays. You don't see them. Oh, and that, I think that's Toyota Corona right there. This car. Not, wait, it was a Ford, so it can't be. It's a Ford. Taunus. Maybe. Wait. What the heck? This is... What is this? Shit. What is this? I don't have an idea. I have no idea what is this. What that is. Yeah, I'm gonna take some pictures again and then continue to the... There is lots more cars. Here's like half of them. So, really nice place. Okay, let's continue. Here's a Volkswagen Jet, old one. Here, as I remember right. And there's a bit newer. Yes, this is beschert 309. Also, I didn't notice this last time. Yeah, but it's rare nowadays. You don't see those every day. Here's a, but yeah, 2 Mercedes and it's a Volvo Amazon Cabrio. Maybe. Okay. Let's see, what is this? Somebody asked about this last time, but I didn't check it then. Now I'm gonna check it. It is Volvo Amazon. As you can see from the front, it looks like it. That's really nice. I haven't seen those, never. Here's a Volvo 244. What is this? Is that a Ford Escort? That is Nissan Patrol. Mercedes. This is also. This is Ford Granada. Yes. And this is beschert there. Is it? Yes. Or no? What is that? No, it's... What is that? This is a beschert. Wait, no. I don't think it is. Holy crap. There was not a hole, but a deeper part on the ground. I knew it was Austin, of course. Austin. Weird smell in here. It's this plant. But it's Austin. Yeah, no, not the model. Right, written on there. I guess you know what that is. Gonna again take some pictures. I'm not going to edit this video. I'm just gonna keep it like this because there really be lots of mistakes and misspellings in this video, so it's gonna be just only clips there and there, 1 second clips. It would be really stupid to make it like that, so I'm just gonna keep it in a whole video. Yeah, now we are going to the part where the most of the cars are. There's so many cars. I can't film them. I can't film every single one. Whoa, a Nissan Micra. Different kind of Nissan Micra. I haven't seen those. I never had seen those. What the fuck? I don't know how can I spell it. This is of course I don't know what it is. It's a Ford Escort. Oh, nice. Volkswagen Jetta and Fiat Cinquecento. I don't know. No, it's not. Or is it? I think Cinquecento was it is different. Not like that. But yeah, we have arrived. Oh shit. We have arrived to the car. The part where is the most of the cars. They're really cool. There's a Ford Fiesta, Talbot Horizon and Fiat 127. Was it? I don't remember. Yeah, Talbot. How can I get in there? Ford Capri, nice. There's at least 2 Ford Capris. Opel Kadett D. Volvo Amazon. I don't want. I hope there's no holes, so that I don't fail. Here's again a Dream Courier, and there's that Volvo Amazon. What is this? Looks like an old Volkswagen. I'm not sure. Oh, it's Triumph. Nice. Oh crap. Yeah, that's nice. I was thinking why there was 2 minutes left, and I stopped the video and it said 3 minutes. I don't know why, but I just was thinking why the fuck was that? This is a Honda Civic, old model. Again a Volvo Amazon with nice yellow hood and this part. This is a Fiat. That's all I know. Maybe 217 again. Yeah, there was Ford Capri, and there's another in here, there. And what is that? That's a Nissan. No. Well, I don't sure. What is this? It's the same. Is this the same? But I thought was a Peugeot. Yeah, it's Austin again. But here's a nice Peugeot 205, a rare model. You don't see every day. Nice. This has been gutted, but it's Dream Herald convertible. But it just gutted. That's the real one. It has just got the roof off, so it looks like that. This is it's so small. It's so small. What is this? It's a Japanese Honda maybe. What the heck is that? Okay, I'm running out of time. I'm gonna delete a couple of older videos already in YouTube and then continue. Okay, now I have 6 minutes. That shoot. Oh, I'm so sorry, I'm so bad at English. But yeah, it should be good. It should be enough for this video. Fiat 127. Yeah. Lots of these Fiats. Oh, this is nice. An old Toyota grill. Nice. I'm not taking anything. This place is so cool. You just can't take anything from here. I would not. I'm not taking. I don't take stuff like this. I don't take anything. Yeah, it's Honda. I was right. I always have to check because I'm afraid to say wrong because it makes me look stupid. That's why I always say maybe. If I'm not sure what car is it, I say maybe. Ford Capri, here's the other one. Sub 96 and Mitsubishi Colt. I don't know what else should I do in here. Just say these names of these cars. Like I don't know. What's the meaning of this video? Just show these cars and name them. This is Datsun, but what Datsun? It's so mossy I can't see. Wait, there's a Ford Capri and here's a third Ford Capri. Nice. I had time to check these cars. Now I can inform the other guys about this place. They have been asking. We have Ford Capri. Nice. It looks really nice. What is this? I didn't see this last time. No way. No way. It can't be. There is no model shots. That. Ford Capri. What is this? Let's say something. Why doesn't it say anything? Is it a Ford or Toyota or what? It has nice mirror, so it can be a Datsun, because I think Datsuns had mirrors like that, or maybe all the cars. Yeah. Okay, we are back here. Let's go to the last part I'm not sure what is the last part. You can go wherever. The cars doesn't end. There's just always more when you go somewhere in here. This place, there's always more. Yeah, Port Anglia. There's another one. Triumph Herald. I say that. Renewal 4. Renewal 4. Oh shit. Kids here because there are some toys. I'm sorry. Wait, are those toys? There. Anyway, there was a trampoline, so I think this was kids. But imagine you as a kid living in this place. This would have been so cool. I would love to live in this place. Is this a BMW? This. What is this? Skoda. Oh, that's a Mazda. 323. How many models are there of that Mazda? I thought there was only a couple, but I have seen different kinds. Many. Wait, this is a Peugeot. No, it's a Fiat. Nice. Here's a newer Peugeot 405 and Volkswagen Passat. Nice model. Also Volkswagen T3 Transporter, the 3rd generation. Was this a Synchro? I don't remember. No, it's not. Here's some Mercedes there, here and there, and nice Rover, big letters, as you can see. You can't do all the things in here at the same time. You can't video and take pictures of every single car in here at the same time. Just impossible. Nice. I didn't see this Mercedes. Old van. Not van, but like a pickup. Now we have looked almost all the cars, so we should check the buildings or not. Never mind. Maybe somebody was trying to repair this building. Okay, let's continue. Oh my god, this place is so nice. I don't want to leave. I just want to stay and look these cars even more. But I can't stay. Okay, here's Ford Cortina. Yeah, it wasn't Taunus there. It was this same car. And here is a Citroën GS HS, if I remember right. Also some mopeds here. Too nice. Suzuki something. I'm not in those things. What is this? I'm not sure. Well, let's see if I can go behind it and see what is it. Oh, here's an Opel Kadett. Favorite car of me. My favorite car. And Ford Sierra, another favorite. Both nice, but this has been ripped off of parts. This Sierra has no roof. RIP. Rest in peace. all the cars. I'm gonna check just for fun, is there any hubcaps in this Opel, this Cadet? Because those hubcaps are really cool. Ooh, that smell. Lucky I'm a bit sick, so I don't smell so good. So I don't have to smell all these horrible smells of old cars. Oh, what is this? It looks like a Honda. This car. This is Yamaha bike and some other bike. There again, I'm gonna take some pictures and then continue. And let's continue again. Let's check this barn just for fun. Oh no. Oh, nothing. I thought I left my flashlight in the car, but I didn't. Nice. This is maybe the first time I don't leave something in the car. Yeah, what are those? Some machines and some motorcycle. He or she, I don't know, repaired the cars. And here are some parts of them. What is this? A hubcap. Volvo hubcap. Nice. Nothing so interesting. Some Legos. So there was kids in here. Or maybe the owners just wanted to play with Legos. You never know. People are different. It's nice. I don't have to really focus on the camera if it focuses or not. I just can go and check everything without looking at the camera at the whole time. Yeah, there was something not so interesting as I thought. What is that? Is it the Opel? No, it's older, but there's Opel Ascona. And what is that? What is that? Is it a Volkswagen? Because of that hubcaps. Volkswagen had those kind of hubcaps. This smells like... What is that? Tärpätti suomeksi. Tärpätti. It's tärpätti. In Finnish. Well, it smells like that. Many saunas. Why? There is a sauna. And there. What is in here? There's no handle. What? I can't get it open. Well, that's okay. I'm more interested about these cars, really. Focus. Thanks. But yeah, it's a Volkswagen. Volkswagen. Is it a Santana? No. Yes, no. Yes, somebody stole the letters. I don't know what this is. What is it? That's a Ford. That's the Escort, I think. Yes. And Volvo 480 here. Nice. Let's check this door. What's behind this door? Okay. Holy crap. Holy. Oh shit. Wait a second. The flashlight is being idiot. Okay. This is a junk collector's paradise. Just look at Look at all this junk. And I love junk. And that's why this is cool. Let's check these out. What are these parts? Some motor parts. Those parts. Car parts. Yeah, this was a maniac. Car maniac. This car enthusiast. If I'm right, but okay, continuing again. I had to delete some videos. Here's the Volvo and Mercedes, and I think we are back in here at this part. Yeah, there's a couple more cars in there, and I'm gonna maybe check the barn and the house. And yeah. Okay, I'm back at the start. I started this video. Oh shit! I almost forgot that there's maybe 200 meters of that driveway, and it's full of cars. I don't know if I can video then but I'm gonna do it at the end when I leave this place. That's the Citroen DS. And here's more cars, of course. Oh, shit. Mitsubishi Space Wagon. Skoda Octavia Kombi. Mazda, no. Mazda, wait, where is it? Mazda, it's Renault 25. And here is Jaguar, nice. Jaguar. Saab 900. And this was the Renault Citroen XM again. Oh, there's lots of more, I didn't know. This is a Chevy Caprice. And this is gonna be really dangerous and hard to get there. Oh shit, I almost fell. How am I gonna get away from this? How am I gonna get back? Another Chevy Caprice. Oh shit, this is really hard. But I think all of you would want to be in here. Okay, now we are here. Opel Kadett, nice. This is complete with a drawing, and again Beschert 309, same color as the other ones. I'm not really sure what's in here because I didn't know there was more cars. Mercedes, holy crap. Mercedes. That's also Mercedes. Yes, lots of Mercedes. Oh shit. Citroen XM Estate. Never seen those. Nice. Does the Opel? No, it doesn't have hubcaps. Are they inside? No, maybe in the trunk. I don't know. But I gonna check that. Oh shit! I remember I have to go this part again. Wait, it's not so hard. But here it go. Yeah, it starts to be hard. Or maybe I just go from here. Oh shit. Sorry, my course. I'm cursing because I'm scared when I fall. And here's the Jaguar. Never seen those. Maybe in movies or something. Wait, never. What is this? Wait, why is there a hole? Oh crap. Maybe I leave that place. That didn't look even safe because it was collapsed. But I thought maybe I should go somewhere a bit higher and try to take a picture of all the cars. So maybe I go on this caravan. It's gonna be hard, but maybe worth it. Let's try. I'm gonna put this camera in here. Okay, I'm going. Oh, that's nice. You can see all the cars from here. All these cars, but not those. I forgot to take a good picture of them all, but this is good. Okay. Now we're gonna check the house finally. I didn't even wait it, but I said finally still. I still said finally. Because I was afraid my memory card going to be full soon. Only 8 minutes left, so I hope that's enough. But I have no idea what's in this house because I haven't checked it out before. And it would have been really hard at summer, as you can see. It's even harder now. Holy crap, it was really hard. And that thing there scared me. Oh, there's all the stuff left. Nothing. There's upstairs, but I don't. Oh shit! There's glass on the floor, and I broke it. Okay, let's go. What is this? What is this? This is some kind of door. Oh wait, what is this? No. Because I hope this holds. I hope it doesn't collapse. Yeah, let's check this. That thing has it's put there on reason. They want to scare people out of here. It looks like a person. That's a basement. See? But I don't take anything. I won't take anything. This map looks new. Oh, 2007. Yeah, that was maybe the last time somebody was here, living in here. Somebody's calling. I need to answer. Okay, let's continue. There's all the dishes and everything is left in here. I don't know why, because the owner is taking care of this place, trying to take care, because he made the neighbors maybe say them to look out of look. Oh shit! Sorry, I can't speak. But anyway, yes. Okay, nice. There's lots of videos. Looks like a 90s. 90s was used last 10. There's toys. So there was kids. And I already said that, but say it again. Yeah, lots of cool stuff just left. Singer, that's old that machine where you used to make clothes, and that old PlayStation 1. Wait, oh, here's a picture, old picture of this place. Focus. Focus. Can you see? Focus, please. Wait a second. I need to focus it. There. You can see there's the building where I tried to go first, and there's the big barn. Almost all of the cars, I think, are still there. What year has these pictures been taken? Doesn't say anything. Well, I think maybe 90s. This was used like somebody really lived here, because I don't know. Or maybe. Oh shit. Oh crap. I just realized there was the basement, and this is collapsed. So I hope this doesn't collapse. Paintings. Lots of old paintings can be rare too. I don't know why the owner left everything here. Why don't he take the stuff and sell or keep? Just left in here to wait them to rot. Why? I just don't get it. Why you do it? Why you do that? That's so stupid. All the kids stuff are in here, but this looks like the main bedroom, so I think the kids' bedroom is upstairs, but I'm not sure if I want to go there or if I even can. We'll see. What is in here? Oh my god, lots of CDs. I think same thing in this back. Yeah. Yes. This is a nice place. There you have your computer, and you can do whatever you do with it, and watch the cars on the window. Nice. Here's a paper, but it's not so old. 2008. Okay. Picture. There's the kids and the owner, maybe. Yeah, I'm gonna maybe go to the upstairs, I see, but take some pictures before it, of course. Okay, I have 2 minutes left, and the battery is also ending, so I'm gonna be quick with the upstairs. I'm not going. Oh crap! Okay, the first step was I thought it gonna collapse, but it didn't. Good it didn't. But yeah, I'm gonna be quick. And I see there's not really, there's too much stuff in here, so maybe I'm not checking all those stuff. This is bigger house than it looks like. You can see it goes over there. It's this big. Maybe there's something downstairs, but I don't wanna go there. It's creepy and it can collapse because the floor was almost collapsing up to there. But here I can take a good picture of the place. So I'm gonna maybe gonna continue on the yard. Okay, thanks for watching this video. This was really nice to make this video. Maybe the best place I've ever seen. No way there's a better place like this in the Finland, Wald, Finland. But yeah, all right. There's those cars. Maybe I try to make a video, but yeah. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like the video if you want more videos like this. Thanks for I don't know, but thanks for watching, and we'll see you in next video.